product from Punja's Biscuits.
Dia benar turun nama ramah turun nama nela. Yang benar bikin mana mana bully. Mau tadi buku bikin ni. Boy cikgu salu head. Kalau mari tolili. So hai tak serangan nak kiria. And buku ni tu boy tu sini kuah. Veiran na lupenda.
Orto kami norto korami ini kita merto hai tak bas.
Ya Jungle Bus.
Hey, thank you very much. Good morning to all the passengers joining from Jungle Bus.
All right.
Jungle Bus, it's a long time, 5 years now.
Yeah.
Then again, Jungle Bus away. This Paramount.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sleeping in the health center of Daria. Then coming down to Nakawakawa, namburikan tamu Nakawakawa Saolo.
Yeah.
10 round and going up.
Okay.
Daria, Nakorotiki, Dongea, Napakasali.
Iya. Bukan dua ya.
Before Napakasali, going like this to 10 round from Nakambuta.
Oi.
Batiruai, Nakambuta, Tarangilo, and
Lobo di mana
Iyo. From the
That's song butuh parlemen Nakambuta. That's please.
It's a many Nakambuta, not some Nakambuta in Nanronga.
Okay.
There's plenty Nakambuta. So this one, come again. Right to Napakasali.
Yeah.
Loa, Tambulotu, and coming like that, Teubula.
Yeah.
Right to Bugandua to Namoy, Kuraskat.
Oi.
Ada benar bikin ni orang cuma Jungle Bus.
Right.
And mata kedai, usi kita bikin ni lebih biti. Di sana tu mana biasa berumur, ada be tolili. Di sana cuma ada tolili salam basri disease.
Mula na kana basini ng tawa, malakin na driver by rogo tumpun na noya. Na boleh besar na siya mutumay na basini ng tawa, batagyan na kaya na passenger. O lori mambatir renga, siya cuma belum basi na matakan na apa?
The bus from the Wainunu side, there is 3 names.
Okay.
One is a Colony Ralu.
Dia camera.
How many bus altogether? 3 or 4?
3.
Okay.
One is a Colony Ralu.
Yeah.
One is a Wainunukoi.
Yeah.
And the third one is a Jungle Bus. Mbula minaka from the village of Nukumbalabu. Tabiraki squad of Brote, Mbulio Tetio Sei. And not forgetting Firoz Khan.
Right.
Nakiran Raiva. And also to Lewa Kabika.
Hey.
Joining from Gisborne. I don't know whether you coming or go.
Right.
Thank you very much for being prominent.
Right.
Enough this morning. Wes Narusa and the family, thank you very much for joining this morning, and the family from the Waila housing.
Kini si meron ko mo sa tuning all the way from somewhere around in the globe. Mula binaka to Rupeni Mbulabo, Simeon in Banube, and also Rupeni Peter Nain Rolebu. And Juliet Margaret Kathy Aloha. Pita na enroll kama ni mula binaka
Masindilo.
So Masindilo tuning all the way from Narere or the umpanji somewhere there. Mula binaka tahu na boleh menonton semutumai and ouch palangi every morning.
Well, good morning to all the students holding graduation this last week of the week.
Okay.
Of the term of the year of the academic work year. Schooling. It will be end soon.
Okay.
So thank you very much for being maintaining discipline. Some of us we finished with our schedule. But this is a time where tempting is coming around.
Oh, you tempted.
Don't want to be tempted.
You tempted.
Be careful of your dingi and your Pakutulewa this morning because some of us we are looking forward for something. But the meda too. The meda.
What's the meda?
The meda. Is coming too. Some of us they want to destroy us, but never tempted easily. Be strong.
Yesterday I saw you just about to be tempted.
Who's
you?
Okay nga, tempted ka ba tika? Then na si tempted his own self.
Please be aware of yourself. He is a tempter. Us, gang. Because if no, some of us we see something. There is a double tap coming from your mind because your eyes is need him, and your head is does not.
Okay.
Your soul too.
So they fight each
don't
other.
want. They fight each other.
Okay,
So-
which one do you prefer?
Heart, soul.
Okay, the ice.
Don't go for the ice.
Okay.
The ice is being
Manipulated.
manipulated.
Because the ice is the when you see, and what comes next is your mouth.
No.
You will say something.
No, the ice goes to the head. The head to the mouth.
This one, the eyes in the mouth.
The ice in the mouth.
Okay, untuk tarong
Bye. Yeah.
If you become a wanrenga, natabi ko natakapa.
Okay, wondering ango edamu kasi.
Sino na buka?
If you are to be a rubber band,
Okay, if I was a rubber band, if Messi was a rubber band,
You will be one one rubber band slack.
He is as expendable.
Right, now.
He is expendable.
Okay.
Baka sama takan na
rubber band.
Marama, do rubber band.
A rubber band.
Yeah.
For the ladies,
Yeah.
always at the back.
Na.
And the bouquet, the rubber band.
Yeah.
And if I was a rubber band,
Yeah.
I will rubber band you too.
No Buddha rubber band. No Buddha. Hey. Okay, then I'll just intaro ko. If you are to have a strength, if you are to have strength,
Right.
na kukuha ta ba?
Yeah.
Pagkaminto na mon kill ta me chubi ko na kukuha ya. Choose.
Goat.
Strength of a what?
A strength of the
Pussy?
No, not the mongoose.
Yeah.
Tu na may nabimatang liya, mo got ko na doon raw.
Strength of okay.
Crocodile?
No.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Because crocodile is too big.
Right, okay.
It's too big. He is the only no nakukuha ko na ngusuna.
Yeah.
The mouth, the
How do
teeth.
you know? How do you know?
You see in the movie.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also the tail.
Yeah.
That's the only weapon
Yeah.
he has.
Okay.
If you ride at the back,
Yeah.
that thing does not move.
Tiger.
No, tiger.
Why?
No tiger. It's very slow.
Oi.
Oh,
Yeah.
very slow, eh?
Very slow.
Lion, the king of the jungle.
King of the jungle is kota pa na buka kila?
Yeah, na.
Now they are scientists. They are confused now.
Yeah,
Who is now the scientists? They are confused.
Yeah.
They said, who said that the lion was a king of the jungle?
All right. Yeah.
What we call the wild boar?
Yeah, no, baka nga ibig
The dove.
The dove ngor na leka. The wild boar. The wild boar.
Yeah.
We got the name from the encyclopedia.
Yeah.
Encyclopedia. Yeah. So in the desert, they named this small pig, the wild boar.
Yeah.
They chase the lion.
Oi.
Yeah.
They are very talkative. They're very naughty. They play around with the lion.
Yeah.
So sometimes when they
Bertal Leone.
don't bertale.
Yeah.
The cylinder, the 9-cylinder, what you call that?
Yeah.
They boost. They boost.
Yeah.
They boost.
Yeah.
So this one now,
Yeah.
that scientists they they are confused. Who is the king of the jungle right now?
Na Leone se buka ni bikaw.
Saya ano ba
So which one do you prefer? To be yourself?
Okay.
I prefer as a lizard.
Oh, lizard.
Lizard,
Not a rat.
not a rat.
Okay, lizard. Okay. Why?
You
Why
know
is
what?
a lizard? The Messi.
I prefer lizard because
Yeah.
you didn't see any animal in this world
Yeah.
or any insect in this world
Yeah.
where you cut yourself from the whole body
Yeah.
and you still got the strength.
Okay.
No.
There is a tail of the lizard. Salau musuh may nambuin na may na tolon yang na todo ko sama
The tail
temay.
of the lizard.
Sangay rimba tu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The lizard always move the tongue. That's why you want to be like a lizard.
Yeah. Tongue in front, tongue at the back. Ay meron ko tinguso na lang, meron talaga ko tinambuin na. Kaya moving to ya. Yeah. Kaya ndo privata kina nakukuha why there is a strength where you cut yourself from your whole body and you still got the power to move yourself. The only lizard, the tail.
Yeah.
Okay. But we will step on you.
Yeah.
You can step.
Yeah.
Menace.
You have to say chilo.
Hey, Chilo, be careful.
Say Chilo. We will step on your head.
Hey, binabalad Punjas, Zero Bites, quality product from Punjas Biscuit, and also to Tamay Tom Tom, lesson here, Rabuki Buki. This morning, thank you very much.
Tunggu semua yo bill lesson ya.
Yeah.
Tongue fight. Tongue and tail fight. Mere di rembose.
Yeah.
Bay kakaya. Hey, John Kumar.
Eh, bula binaka, bula.
Iya. Waduh ni bilang
One accident in his belly.
Isbeli?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. One passed away.
Sorry.
Mita Signa.
Herbenak.
All the way from where? Which is this place? Mita Signa, Switzerland. Thank you so much for tuning in. Lewaya Rakai na balim sar na siya. Asal ay ko
Epanes. Ndrau bula kem ndrau.
Udah balik sar cing main mata kemenangan ko. Dorm likes, dorm share, dorm page kalau wena. Sarra mana, ya balongo, ada buku dikena. Kita gitu antara mon.
Iya.
Me susu minta iko, kayak kamu disuruh me mon.
Boni bulu.
Iya.
Ya umi kan galon pula.
Mundo ko.
Engon demis.